What's going on, guys and gals? Brad here for Leighton Sports Cards, and I am ripping. This is our 2017 Leaf Memorabilia Treasury Box Break number 2, Random Hit Style. 5 spots, 5 hits. This is all going to be done in one video. Let's get ripping. Good luck, everybody, and thanks for joining. Turn this camera. Get an angle of me cutting this here. What is all this? Empty box. Okay, what is all this? Okay, so I'll start with the one on top. This is Kevin Nash, autographed t-shirt, Kevin Nash, New World Order, and that is Leaf authenticated. There you go, cool hit, man. Big sexy. Check that out. There you go. NWO. That's a cool first hit. Kevin Nash, good luck on that one. This is actually really cool. Holy cow. That is Bruce Springsteen. Autographed album cover. PSA DNA authenticated. Sick hit. Bruce Springsteen. There you go. Check that out. Whew. That is sick, man. That is really cool. Congrats on that. There's your letter of authenticity on the back. Very, very cool. I like that a lot. Right behind it, got a big poster here. That is Shane Mosley. Just pick it up here. Shane Mosley. And that is Leaf authenticated. There you go. Cool one there. Right behind it. Check this out. There she is again. PSA DNA authenticated. Autographed poster here. Carmen Electra. I can actually read her name on this one. Are we going to get banned for showing this? There you go. Carmen Electra. Good luck on that one. And the last hit. Yeah. There he is. Jadeveon Clowney. Nice. Look at that hit. Woo! And that's Leaf authenticated. That is cool. Look at that hit. Good luck on that one, man. That's cool. And that is our 5th item. Put that back in. Alright. So give me a second here. Let me type all the items into the randomizer. And we'll do the random in just a second. Thanks, guys. One moment. Let's see. Kevin Nash, autoed. T-shirt. Jadeveon Clowney, autoed. Poster. Carmen Electra, autoed poster. Shane Mosley, autoed poster. Bruce. I forgot how to spell Springsteen. Autoed album cover. All right. 5 items, 5 names. Okay, good luck, guys. Let's roll the dice and we'll do the random. That is 6 times on the random for the hits. Good luck to all of you. Let's do it. 6 times, 5 items, 5 spots. Names first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jim B up top, Jeff H on the bottom. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bruce Springsteen, autoed album cover down to the Kevin Nash t-shirt. Let me get these over. All right, we have Jim B with the Bruce Springsteen autographed album cover. Kevin DZ, Shane Mosley autographed poster. Chris V, Carmen Electra autographed poster. Kevin DZ, Jadeveon Clowney autographed poster. And Jeff H with the Kevin Nash autographed t-shirt. There you go, guys. And that does it for the break. Thank you to everybody that joined in on this case, or this box. That was a fun one, especially the Springsteen album cover. That was really cool. So give me a minute here, get the results posted to the news tab, and we'll start getting set up on Black Diamond Hockey here. Again, that still has spots available, guys, so we got to get that filled up. Let's see, it has, let this refresh real quick. It has 21 to go. $38.99 per spot, so it's cheap. Let's get that filled up, and we'll keep moving on with the night. Good luck, guys, and thanks for joining.